Fuss-free naturals have a range of natural face masks to suit all skin types. In this video, we'll explain how to use and apply our natural silk masks. Face masks are mostly used after removing makeup or having a shower, and applying the mask in the bathroom is generally advised. With your hair tied back, remove all makeup with a Fuss-free Naturals face wipe to leave your skin clean, dry and ready to apply a mask. Firstly, open the sachet and gently pull out the folded mask. Carefully unfold the mask to reveal the eye, nose and mouth cutouts. The mask has 3 layers. 2 outer layers, white and blue, are to protect the final silk layer. Before applying to the face, gently peel away and discard the white layer to reveal the remaining blue and silk layer. Standing in front of a mirror and using both hands, hold and apply both layers to the face, making sure the silk layer is applied first to the skin. You should see the blue layer as it is now furthest away from the skin. Press away any air bubbles so that the mask is evenly spread and in close contact to the skin. You're now ready to locate the cutouts located either left or right on the cheek area. Hold down the white silk mask with your hand and gently peel away the blue layer, leaving the silk mask in contact with the skin. Make final adjustments so the mask is in flat contact with the skin for the maximum effect. We suggest leaving the mask on for 20 to 30 minutes maximum. This is now the ideal time to rest and relax, read a book, or sip a glass of wine. After 20 to 30 minutes, simply discard the face mask. Please do not flush face masks down the toilet. Remove any excess moisture with a warm flannel, leaving your skin soft and dry. Do not leave wet formulation on your skin if going straight to sleep. Over the next few days, you should experience a soft glow to your skin, feeling refreshed and looking radiant. You can use Fuss-free Naturals face masks daily or once or twice a week. They are ready to use and easy to remove.